So, Arsenal 3. That little tin pot club down the road won. That's not Sylvester. That is the Tottenham fans' tears, giving it, yes, 1-0 victory at the Emirates. Oh, yes, I'm gonna put all of our players in a combined 11. Ah, dear, Lloris must have still been drunk. What was he doing? Chicken Royale. They're all blaming Chicken Royale, by the way. I think they forget that we were winning 2-1 before he got sent off. And neither goal was Chicken Royale's fault. Conte in the mud. Yeah, big up. As you can see, I'm smug gunner today. I predicted a slappage. I predicted a victory. I predicted 4-2, actually. A little bit gutted it didn't end 4-2 because I had a tenner on it with Jesus anytime scorer. It would have been 700 notes, but I don't care. I'll spend £10 to get a 3-1 victory against the banter club. And they are a banter club. Let's have it right. They win nothing. I don't know why they come with so much chest every season. Yeah, we're going to do this. Expressions didn't even want to answer the phone. Yeah, where are you? Let's be having you, yeah, about bully and tie and all that outside the Emirates. Come, answer the WhatsApp message, yeah? Toby slams me on camera. He slammed me. He didn't want it. He's, you can have off, Gunner, yeah? Slam me. Like, Henry Wright is going to come on and do a fan cam. Fair play. Although saying that, he hasn't replied to my set. Oh, he's just replied. Henry is going to come on and do a fan cam. But listen, death, taxes, and slapping Spurs at the Emirates. It's guaranteed. I don't know why anyone doubted it. Anybody who knows anything about football will look at the fixture list and go, oh, Arsenal play Spurs at the Emirates on the 1st of October. Oh, well, that's an Arsenal win. I don't know why Spurs fans think any different. I genuinely do not get it. From the first minute, we were all over them. Chicken Royale was waving to the bench saying, get me off, after Martinelli sat him on his backside real quick. He didn't want that smoke. Granit Xhaka, big up to you, my friend. Big up to you. Great performance. Great finish. Jesus. I don't know how he didn't get booked, by the way. I have no idea how he didn't get booked. He could have been booked 3 or 4 times. Big up to the ref. Yeah, it's a conspiracy. But he didn't get booked. My centre-back. Yeah, my centre-back. I think it's about time people realise how good Saliba is. That boy is going to be a superstar. He really is. He is so like young Rio Ferdinand that went from Leeds to Man United. That boy is quality. Absolutely quality. Doing little pirouettes in our own box and just strolling off like a Rolls Royce. Driving Miss Daisy. Just chilling. It was so in control. On the other hand, the bozo gene, which I keep telling people, the bozo gene, who stands next to him, what were you doing for the penalty, mate? Like, real talk. That guy's got 5 mistakes a game in him. We need better than that. We need to go and find a better centre-back in January or the summer. If we stick with him all this season, I feel we're going to finish 5th. He's not that good. Although after the penalty, I do feel he got a lot better. Gibraltar guard, he's off the rock. Oh, no, I lie. He's just landed on the rock. He's waving the Norway flag at me again. Weren't great today, but he didn't need to be. Bukayo Saka. That is what happens when you have a fullback that decides to overlap. Well done to Benjamin Scheidt today. He played very well today, that boy. Very, very well. And that second goal was all because he sees Saka with 3 men and he made a darting run behind him. Soon as he did that, Saka drops inside. 1 player drops back over there. He drops a shoulder. Bang. Lloris spills it like he was spilling his drinks. And then Romero... put it through his keeper's hands. Jesus, alert, lively, on the button. What a player Jesus is. What a player. That guy is everywhere, man. Absolutely everywhere. By the way, I want to talk about Martinelli. Yeah, that guy deserved the goal today. His performance was insane. I thought he was superb. My man of the match was Saliba, by the way. I thought he was a Rolls Royce out there today. Everything. Even doing fancy dans in their box. Like, you could play him up front. It'd still be great. The guy can play anywhere. He's that sick. He's so sick. So sick. And yeah, Martinelli. Let's talk about my baller. My ballers all played well today, by the way. My ballers. Martinelli played well today. Kieran Tierney, when he came on, trying to take pot shots from 30 yards. We got the Tierney shirt on. It's got Tierney number 3 on the back. Yeah, Tierney, my border came on. Played well when he came on. Thomas Partey. Oh my days. Oh my days. That guy has probably got the worst ratio of any player in the Premier League for taking long-range efforts to actually converting them into goals. Today, that goal, you ain't going to see a better goal all month. That is goal of the month for October. Stop the count. Stop the count. Stop the count. That is goal of the month. What an unbelievable goal. And to do it in that fixture is insane. Big up to him, man. That was so perfect. You could have 10 goalkeepers in goal. They're not saving that. They are not saving that. That goal, and it weren't like he even slapped it. It was just finesse. Everything about our performance today was finesse, by the way. I thought we were great. Yeah, there was a little bit in the first half where I was like, oh, we're leaving ourselves a bit wide open. Their final ball was a little bit shocking. Yeah, and they got the goal from the penalty. You know Kane's going to score. Great penalty, by the way. I expected him to go the way Ramsdale dived, but he straight down the middle. Great penalty. And we know as soon as they get a penalty, it's a goal. Bozo gene. But I was never worried they were going to win the game. I was never worried that they would go and score 2 or 3 goals. We looked so lively from the first minute, man. Big up the fans in the ground today. Yeah, because from what I heard from the chat, it was lively. Yeah, and these are the types of games I do actually miss going to. Yeah, not the Swansea away or the Palace at home and stuff like that. This game, Chelsea, Man United, Man City, Liverpool, Atleti in the Europa League, stuff like that. They're the games that I miss because the atmosphere is different. Yeah, because the fans get them up and get up for it an hour before kickoff. They're all lively outside the ground, especially for Tottenham and Man United, them two especially. But yeah, I'm a little bit Joe. I weren't at the game today, but I'm hiding in Spain. So yeah, 30 degrees October, by the way. We got the cerveza. We've drunk X's tears. And yeah, it's been a good day, people. It's been a really good day. But did we expect anything less? No. We knew Arsenal would win. Most people that know anything about football would know that Arsenal will win. Tottenham fans, well, they're just deluded little amoebas. They've got the mental capacity of an amoeba, a lot of these fans. And it is the history of the Tottenham. Let's be real. It is the history of the Tottenham. They come to Arsenal and lose. I don't know why they get mouthy every single season. That performance today was quite. He made his subs at the right time. I thought it was good subs from him today as well. Yeah, he earned his money today. Big up to him. He picked the right team. Apart from Tierney, I thought Tierney should have started over Zinchenko, but it didn't matter. And his subs today, we got away with Jesus not getting booked, but he took him off. Thomas Partey, nice little run out for him today. Scored a slappage, goal of the month. And Zinchenko went off. So, yeah, wrapping him up nicely in cotton wool for the game against Liverpool. Obviously, we've got a game in midweek on Thursday, the Emmerdale Cup. But, yeah, we should beat Bodo. I think we'll win that. I think, yeah, we're gonna look forward to that Liverpool game now because today was a massive test for Arsenal. And if we'd not come through that test and we'd lost or dropped points today, then you're going into Liverpool, then you lose or drop points in that game. All of a sudden, our start to the season is not that great. But now we can get the cigars out, people. The cigars are out. We can get the cerveza. We can get the sunshine. Let's put the shades on. They're trying to see the vision down at the Gunners. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Gunners in a good mood. Look at what Arteta's done to me. Look what Xhaka's done to me. Oh, my days. Is this Arsenal? This is the Arsenal I've wanted. All you people that come and chat breeze in my comments, like, oh, you're negative. This is what I want to see. Look how happy I am. Yeah, this is what I want to see week in, week out. A team of players fighting for each other, working hard and putting a shift in. And if you don't win, but you've put a shift in and you've worked hard and you've actually tried and given it everything, you still get a clap. You still get good ratings on player ratings with Kenny and Jez. But if you just fold like a deck of cards, that's when I kick off. And I've seen that a lot under this manager. But fair play to him. This season, 8 wins out of 9 games in all comps. Unbelievable. The only game we nosed up was Man United. They were there for the taking. It should be a perfect record. Yeah, they were there for the taking. On another day, he wouldn't have made 3 subs in 1 hit at 2-1 down. We should have just shut up shop at 1-1 for 5 minutes, then make 1 sub, then make another. But who cares? We're beating them again. Happy days. It's no Arteta out today. It's a good day, people. It's a good day. See, clip that and put that on your Twitter accounts, you absolute weirdos. All right, big up to everyone who watched the watch along as well. Make sure you do go and check out all the other fan cams. Henry Wright, Kenny, Jez, Matty. Player ratings will be out later. This is going to be peak. It's all good. We're top of the table. We're September champions. We're August champions. Are we going to be champions come May? I don't know. If we're in a title race come May, I'll hold my hands up and say I got it wrong about Arteta. Come on, win the title, baby. Adios, amigos. No Arteta fuera today. Yeah, how to see him play. Yeah, Espanol. We're out of here. Ciao.